New Bremen down 21-0 in the first quarter of their rival Minster, but happy to see us, as is the Cardinal. Home team on the comeback trail, possibly. Garrett Westerbeck to Zane Ferguson. Look at this grab. First down at the Cat 43. A couple plays later, it's 4th and 1. Cards are going for it. Westerbeck is definitely going for it. Disappears into the pile, then emerges. 34-yard touchdown. 21-6 Minster. Wildcats go back to work. Already 2 long touchdown runs by Sam Dews. The junior rips off a 28-yard pickup here. Skips down there. Then Dews, another 19 yards. Gets it all the way to the 5. Does number 44. Coach Garen Stokes going to reward him. Dews the 1-yard plunge. It's 28-6. Minster in front. How about some Wildcat D? Hit of the night. Ethan Wolf going nowhere. That forces a punt. Josh Nixon finds his tight end. Wolf on his way to Tennessee. Look at the catch. Doesn't secure it, so New Bremen pops it loose. He gets it back and gets another 7 yards. First down at the 32. Then it is Nixon to Wolf again. Look at this catch. One-handed. Brings it in with 2. Soft hands for the big guy. Down at the 13. Dews then punches in his 4th touchdown of the half. Had 223 yards rushing in that first half alone. We think it's because he wears 44. Minster's winning tonight on the road, 41-20. You can see that on WOSN later on this weekend, courtesy of our friends at NK Telco.